Hi folks, this is Lee Murphy, artbyleemurphy.com, and here is an update on finally getting this camper roof looking like it's going to be something that will actually work. I just put in the last layer of epoxy and coating with a 1/8 inch door skin, which I really didn't want, but nothing else seemed to work. FRP was just not substantial enough, so the idea is to just completely pickle it in epoxy resin to make sure that it will not be as susceptible to rotting. Like when I figure people build boats out of these things, and that seems to work. Anyhow, I discovered a neat little idea because you can see this hanging right here. It's like a TRX band in real life, because once the epoxy was down here, it's not like I could walk across this when I was cleaning it up and demoing all the stuff. And then I ended up using a little 2x2 and this to be able to spread the epoxy on. It seemed to work. And what we're looking at here too are two just plain old foam ceiling medallions. And this camper roof was originally wired for electricity, and I just didn't want another point of failure. It's just only 6x8, so I figure what I'm going to do is, let's see if I can grab this, this is just a hook right here, reinforced in the back, and this is where I will hang a battery-powered fan or lanterns of some kinds. It'll be right in the middle of this roof. So it's not like I need a whole bunch of high-powered lights or anything like that. Once again, it's so small, and I just didn't want to add more complications to it. Maybe that's more complicated, I don't know. So in order to have something that matched, I got two of them, obviously, but I ended up cutting these in quarters. So eventually the idea is, I might put that corner all the way to the other side over there, because that's a little bit much right there. But yeah, it's probably a little frou-frou, but this is my camper, my ideas. You don't like it, make your own. Don't mean to be rude, but hey, I want to hashtag don't settle for an off-the-shelf life. That's what I'm doing here. So, progress of a sort. And if I can keep from scaring myself and overthinking too much, I might actually get this done in a timely manner. So, hopefully that's helpful. Hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you for checking it all out.